ready? 3, 2, 1, go. On my go, I'm going to hit the stopwatch. You're going to have 30 seconds. Are you ready?
No! Yes!
3, 2, 1, go! Stopwatch has started. He's chugging.
Oh,
He's kind of, his technique is terrible. He really should have practiced it as this at home. He's kind of licking at it. He's... No, stop. Oh, he's failing. This is epic. This is epic. 15 seconds in. 15. You're not allowed to stop and drink.
You can't drink.
You have to finish.
I can't breathe.
21 seconds.
Hold on.
20
Done.
You got 5 seconds
Done.
left. You got 4, 3, 2.
It wasn't even a half.
1, and time.
Ugh.
How much did you get done? Let me see it.
Not even a half.
Not even half of one. Dude, you and your epic fails. You are killing me. And now you're vomiting. Oh, good. Great. All right, I'll tell you what. We're going to let Manhole vomit. We'll get back to you and find out what happened next. Unbelievable. I'm so agitated with you. Can I get some music to do a world record? Look at Oh, God. We have vomit. Thanks for hanging out here. It's The Blaze. Good morning.